Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to autofill dates in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Autofilling dates on Google Sheets is quite straightforward and can be done in few different ways depending on your specific needs. In my case, I have done autofilling dates multiple times because it eliminates the need to manually enter each date, saving considerable time and effort, especially when you are dealing with long date ranges or recurring data entries. For example, I'm gonna put in here maybe a day. And the next one is going to be maybe a month, for example. I'm going to make this one a little bit interactive by changing the font color. Maybe into this one. Now, I'm going to put in some date. For example, it's around August, maybe August 1/2024. And this time I'm gonna be putting in another date here. Now I'm gonna make it this one. Now if I wanted to create an autofill dates for the entirety of these cells, all I'm gonna do is click choose this one and drag this cross here and release that. You see? That is how easy autofilling dates in Google Sheets are, because it ensures consistency and date formatting throughout your spreadsheet. Obviously, it reduces errors and ensures that all dates follow the same format. Of course, you don't want to put in manual dates every cells, right? It's counterproductive. Now, this makes Google Sheets more user-friendly and accessible for users of all skill levels. Now, that's going to be a date we're having for the month. All right, now it's around let's say it's already I'm gonna copy this one, but I wanted to do is to make it a autofill for month. Now I'm gonna be choosing I'm gonna make it 9. All right, and I'm gonna autofill this for the rest of the 2024 year. Again, it's the same process. All I'm gonna do is copy that and drag the arrow here until 2025. All right, and that's how you basically autofill dates in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.